Hi everyone, this is Kavya from Edureka. Welcome to today's session on PMP Exam Costs. Before we begin, I'd like to address the agenda. Firstly, we will understand what is the PMP exam, and we will also discuss the eligibility for you to write the PMP exam. Then we'll move ahead to the main part of this session and discuss the PMP exam and re-examination cost. We will also discuss some of the PMP exam resources that may help you in your examination. And we will conclude the session by discussing PMP certification, salary, and jobs. I hope the agenda is very clear. Kindly take up this time to subscribe to us and do not forget to hit that bell icon to never miss an update from the Edureka YouTube channel. Also, to learn more about new trending technologies, visit our page, the link to which is given in the description box below. So without much ado, let's get started. Overview of the PMP exam. The new version of the Project Management Professional Certification Exam launched on 2nd January 2021. The PMP certification exam can be completed either in your home or even in your office. So, about the new PMP exam, feedback and information was gathered from leaders and practitioners from all around the world. The PMP exam has evolved to meet today's demands of the profession, organizations, and most importantly, you. It focuses mainly on three domains that you can see on the screen that will help you gain a competitive edge and prove you work smarter. The first domain is people. Here, it emphasizes the soft skills you need to effectively lead a project team in today's changing environment. The second domain is the process, which helps you reinforce the technical aspects of successfully managing projects. The third domain is business environment, which highlights the connection between projects and the organizational strategy. The content that spans the value delivery spectrum includes predictive, agile, and hybrid approaches. These will be included across the three exam domains that we just discussed, that is people, process, and business environment. So the first and the most important eligibility criteria is you must have a 4-year degree. The second important criteria is that you must have at least 36 months leading projects. And the last criteria is you will either have to have 35 hours of project management education or you must have cleared the 𝐂𝐴PM certification exam. For those who do not have a 4-year degree, you can also have a high school diploma or an associate's degree with 60 months leading projects. So this is double the amount of leading projects that you must have. And the third requirement is common. That is, you must have 35 hours of project management education or training, or you must clear the 𝐂𝐴PM certification exam. So now that we've discussed the eligibility as well, let's move ahead and talk about the exam fees. Now, if you want to write the PMP certification exam with the PMI membership, it would cost you $405. But if you do not have the PMI membership, then the PMP certification would cost you $555. Now, you must be wondering, how much is the PMI membership and what are the benefits? The one-time payment for this PMI membership fee is $139, which includes the $10 one-time application fee. Now, for unfortunate reasons, you didn't do your PMP exam well, or you're not satisfied with your results, then you'll want to opt for a re-examination. For this, you will have to pay $275. That is if you are a PMI member. Else, you will have to pay $375. That is if you're not a PMI member. So this table is really important. It just gives you an insight into how the PMP exam cost breakup really occurs. I hope this is clear. Moving on to the next part, let's discuss some of the most prominent PMP exam resources that are available today. Firstly, you have the Agile Practice Guide, which is published by Project Management Institute. You also have the PMBOK Guide 6th edition and the 7th edition, which is going to release on August 1st, 2021. This is considered the Bible of the PMP exam. Also, you have the Project Management is Systems Approach to Planning, Scheduling, and Controlling, which is published by Wiley. And you can also refer the Effective Project Management, that is Traditional, Agile, Extreme, Hybrid book, which is also published by Wiley. There are several other resources to prepare for the PMP exam, but these 4 to 5 books are the most prominent ones. It can vary from person to person. So I suggest that you research on the books and the resources that are best suited for you. Now let's talk about the next important thing, that is the PMP certification, salary and jobs. So firstly, a project management certified professional's annual compensation ranges from INR 2 lakh rupees to 10 lakh on average. Candidates with the PMP certification can work in both public and private enterprises. Certification project management professionals are in great demand both in foreign countries and India. After completing the course, students will be qualified for high paying jobs in variety of sectors. The median salary for PMP holders in the United States is 25% higher than those without PMP certification, according to PMI's most recent project management salary survey. Now, the opportunities for you to skill up and climb up the ladder in your career, it would be advisable for you to opt for a certification training program. Edureka's PMP training course is instruction-led and prepares you for the PMP certification exam. It gives you extensive knowledge of project management concepts highlighted in the PMBOK guide and is aligned with the latest PMP exam content outline. Enroll now for the PMP certification course to understand the global language of project management and connect with real time project management professionals. So, what are you waiting for? Go get yourself enrolled in Edureka's PMP certification exam training today. With this, we come to the end of today's session on PMP exam cost. I hope you had a great time in this session. If you have any queries, feel free to leave them in the comment section below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, thank you.
I hope you have enjoyed listening to this video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries, and we will reply them at the earliest. Do look out for more videos in our playlist and subscribe to Edureka channel to learn more. Happy learning!